Hi Tejasvi, how are you
Hi.
doing?
Wait a second. Yeah.
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to say I'm
I'm
so
so very
sorry because we couldn't do this yesterday. Yeah, tell me, sorry.
Yeah, what happened? I was waiting yesterday.
I know. We had a little issue in the family back here with my dad and stuff like that, but it's all fine now. We are back home.
Oh, you fine,
Uh,
right?
yeah. He was having a little lung pain and it got us all freaked out, but it's fine now.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
That's how it was yesterday. But we really apologize for that. I'm so sorry. But
It's
now that we
okay.
got a chance, now that we got a chance to speak to you, tell us how are you doing?
I'm doing good. I have been sleeping in the day and being up all night. So for me, days become night and night has become my day. I slept at around 6 in the morning today and I just woke up about 2 hours back.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and that's why, I didn't even think it was 2 hours back. I think it was an hour back, which is why मेरी शक्ल एकदम ऐसे सो के उठी हुई वाली शक्ल है.
But no, you look very cute any which ways.
Thank you so much. So do
So
you, and
let me begin with, let me let's not jump onto quarantine questions, but let me just ask you, how was Khatro for you? I saw a couple of creepy episodes. How did you manage to do it so well?
it was very tough. It was very very tough. You should ask my parents how I react even if I see one cockroach in the house, and just having so many of them all over you was so scary. And about cockroaches, the rats are also bad. Like, I still remember I was inside the coffin and everybody was like पैर सीधे कर, पैर सीधे कर. So the whole stunt I did have my पैर सीधे, but बीच बीच में मैं पैर अंदर कर रही थी. एंड आपने शायद एक शॉट देखा भी होगा वेर आई गो लाइक यार नीचे वाले काट रहे हैं. तो जो नीचे जो चूहे होते हैं ना, वो चूहे ऐसे 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 दांत से ऐसे ऐसे लाइक फीलिंग योर टोज, दे फीलिंग योर टोज, दे बाइटिंग योर टोज. यू नो, मतलब लिटरली ऐसे किसी ने, चूहे ने लिटरली ऐसे काटा नहीं, टू बी वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. ऐसे कुछ पीस ऐसे लेके ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं. बट या कॉकरोचेस बिट मी अ लॉट. लाइक कॉकरोचेस का क्या था कि दे गो एवरीवेयर इनसाइड क्योंकि वो इतने छोटे होते हैं इन कंपैरिजन टू रैट्स. एंड देन दे प्लेस देयर टीथ लाइक दिस एंड देन दे बाइट एंड दे जस्ट बाइट, और दे डोंट लीव यू. सो जैसे हम लोग वो स्टंट से बाहर निकलते हैं एंड वी गेट रिड ऑफ ऑल दोज थिंग्स, एंड बाय द टाइम वी गेट होम एंड वी टेकिंग अ शावर, क्योंकि चूहों वाला स्टंट था ये
Hmm.
वो, तभी जब आप अपनी बॉडी को देखते हो मिरर के सामने, तब पता चलता है यार कहाँ कहाँ नहीं काटा है. एंड दे बाइट यू एवरीवेयर. ओ माय गॉड, इट वाज बैड, इट वाज बैड.
So now that you've already done the task, do आप अभी भी freak out होते हो cockroaches को देख के कि now you're cool with it?
नहीं नहीं, मैं अभी भी फ्रीक आउट होती हूँ. That's what my dad was just. So the other day we were in my angan. So I live in a row house. तो हमारे
Hmm.
घर पे आंगन है and all of that. So it's a very like a natural kind of house, like not an apartment. It's a house. It's a home. तो हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसे चूहे भी एक्चुअली गाड़ी के पास आते हैं, या लाइक कॉकरोचेस या लाइक लिजर्ड्स आते हैं. So I live on the ground floor and I live in Goregaon West, and this used to be like a massive jungle. अब तो Goregaon East में तो जंगल अभी भी है film city में. So basically I have a lot of that coming in. तो जब भी मैं अपना परसों ही मैंने कॉकरोच देखा and I yelled and I ran out and I'm like इसको निकालो निकालो निकालो, my god मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है. And my dad was like ये क्लिप, इसका वीडियो निकाल के मैं एंडमॉल, वायकॉम और रोहित शेट्टी सर को भेजूंगा कि ये लड़की का अभी भी आपने डर का कुछ नहीं किया है, या अभी भी घर पे आती है, स्टिल स्केर्ड ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. बट ड्यूरिंग द चूहे वाला स्टंट, आई बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं कॉफिन के अंदर थी और मैं सिर्फ गणपति बापा को प्रे कर रही थी, क्योंकि चूहे गणपति बापा का वाहन है, राइट. तो मैं बस इसे प्रे कर रही थी कि प्लीज अब चूहों को समझाना कुछ नहीं करे, कुछ नहीं करे, क्यों कुछ नहीं करे,
How
गणपति
cute.
बापा.
बट सुन ली गणपति बापा ने चूहों ने नहीं काटा आपको?
हाँ, चूहों ने नहीं काटा, बट दे वर रियली फीलिंग माय टोज, एंड उनके दांत इन कंपैरिजन टू कॉकरोच बहुत बड़े थे। एंड डर तो लगता ही है, राइट? बट
So now that
कर लिया।
so now that you already told us कि it is creepy and freaking out and मतलब obviously लड़कियों को तो और भी ज्यादा डर लगता है, लड़के तो फिर भी थोड़े कर लेते
नहीं,
हैं, खेल लेते हैं कॉकरोच।
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है कि लड़के फिर भी कर लेते हैं और लड़कियों को ज्यादा लगता है। मुझे तो जेन्युइनली लगता है कि इस सीजन की लड़कियां वर वे स्ट्रॉन्गर। लाइक आई हैव नॉट मेट एनी गाय इन माय सीजन हु वाज स्ट्रॉन्गर विद क्रीपी क्रॉलीज देन अदा खान। There was nobody stronger than Ada when it came to creepy crawly. I
Yeah.
think boys have an upper hand when it comes to physical stunts. क्योंकि physically they men are built stronger. तो ये इसमें तो that's something that you can't really do anything. But I think we still try to perform very well even in physical stunts. But creepy crawly में अदा के आसपास भी कोई नहीं था, लाइक ना लड़कियां पर लड़के भी नहीं, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट।
तो what made you sign a show like this जो आपको दिन रात डराता रहेगा?
ना, कभी कभी मैं भी खुद को यही पूछती हूँ, सच बोलूँ तो व्हाट मेड मी डू इट। बट I've been experimenting with my work a lot lately. Like I did a mytho show on television, and a lot of people don't really do it because they feel that mytho करने के बाद normal show मिलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. But it was actually after my mytho show that I got my first ever web series on Woot. So I did a mytho, and then I did a web series on Woot, and then I did a Marathi film with Rohit sir, and then I did a reality show like Khatron Ke Khiladi. So and now I've also done a music video. So none of these things are in very in any way close to each other. So I was doing a lot of daily soaps pele, and now I'm really just exploring a lot more, or which is why I was thinking of doing a reality show, and I did not think there is any reality show better than Khatron Ke Khiladi. And I know that Big Boss also does very very well. I think Big Boss is the biggest reality show, but
It got अटक गया लगता है आपका। Is there a network issue?
अब ठीक है।
हाँ, it's fine now. कुछ बोलो।
मैं क्या रही हूँ?
It's stuck. Yeah. You were talking about mythology shows कि उसके बाद normal वाले shows नहीं मिलते, but then you got your web
How
series
I
and
really felt.
with Woot and all of that. It's cracking up. It's cracking up.
Still,
It's cracking up. It's still cracking up. The screen is frozen. अभी better है. अभी better है. फिर से
now
अटक गया. Can we try reconnecting or something? It's stuck.
should I leave and come back then?
Can't hear you at all. Mm-mm. We must reconnect this. Just
Okay.
try to. Hello.
I
Hello
just
again.
saw a comment of somebody saying hello Varun. Varun आया है क्या? I don't know. I just saw somebody's comment saying.
I don't know. Let me check.
I don't know. Never mind. Sorry.
No, maybe. Oh my god, this is again stuck.
Will show to
Is
do.
there a network
Big.
error there or something?
I'm getting good network. Like it's.
Hmm.
end or is it at her end? Is the network bad on
What's
my
with the
end
net?
or your end?
यहाँ पे तो मैंने वाईफाई कर दिया कनेक्ट. आई डोंट थिंक अभी हो रहा होगा. अभी आई थिंक इट्स बेटर. से समथिंग.
Hi!
Yeah, it's much better now. Yeah. So you were telling us about you being experimental with your shows and what.
So that's what like that Khatro is a show that just politics. It was purely based on stunt, and that's why I just thought that it was a comparatively a lot more sensible reality show to do, and
Hmm.
that's why I wanted my first reality show to be Khatron Ke Khiladi. I knew that.
Hmm. Hmm. Talking about uh, what's your day routine like? Is it as normal as it was, or do you feel that you're trapped? How do you feel?
Oh no, no, I'm not feeling trapped at all. Initially, yeah, it was very difficult. शुरुआत में बहुत दिक्कत हो रही थी कि बाहर भी नहीं जा पा रहे, कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे. पर अभी तो ये अ, ऐसे लगने लगा है कि this is normal. It is normal to be home and to spend so much time with your family. It is normal to actually cook for your family. It is
It's again got stuck. Oh God, what's with the network?
yeah. So
What's
that
with the
way,
network?
I always. Is it better?
आपका ना all your answers are being waved off. We can't hear only.
Oh, is it better now? Can you hear me now? I don't know where else to go.
It was initially एकदम proper. अभी पता नहीं क्या हो गया.
अभी?
Yeah.
I think I
अभी
should
तो चल रहा
switch
है.
to
But
low.
then बीच में something happens.
Is this better?
Yeah.
Huh.
This is
Yeah,
so freaky, no?
yeah, I
Uh,
always have this issue with my live. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my network. Finish my
but
answer so that
nevertheless,
the network gets even worse.
doing we're gonna try doing as much as we can with
What?
this. Um, it's again got stuck. It's again got stuck. Oh my God.
Ah,
Okay, yeah.
I don't know what to do.
Oh my God. It's not even, stable for probably 5 seconds. It's not even stable
Second?
for 5 seconds.
Oh,
I just heard, oh, that's all I heard.
should I just move out of my?
No, don't move out of your house. No. Oh God, this is getting stuck. Um, yeah, no.
Is it better?
Yeah, it did not crack up right now, but then I don't know. Okay, it's got stuck again. Mm, yeah. Can you hear me? Mm, अटक गया फिर से. Mm, it's cracking up. It's blank. What do we do about this? It's not working. It's not working.
I don't know ना, मैं तो अपनी घर के बाहर आ गई हूँ अभी.
अभी चल रहा है. अभी चल रहा है. हाँ, अभी चल रहा है. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. So let me jump to another question. Tell me, do you have a helping hand at home, or you doing things by yourself?
no, I live with my parents. I've been a Mumbai girl, and this is the house that I've lived life. So I have basically been cooking, and Mama has been cooking the lunch. Dad has been doing the dishes, and so basically हम तीनों ने अपने काम equally divide करके रखे हैं.
Wow. And now that we hear that the lockdown is going to be extended, which very much will happen. What have you planned to do? How are you going to be spending your coming days in this lockdown?
I've heard it's going to go till the 1st of June at least, and especially to celebrate my
It's
birthday.
got stuck.
But and my birthday is on the 10th of June. 10th of June. और 1st of June तक
Hmm.
अगर लॉकडाउन है भी तो 1st of June के बाद आई एम नॉट श्योर कि कब चीज़ें ओपन होंगी और मैं बाहर जा भी पाऊंगी या नहीं. So now I'm
Hmm.
really scared.
Arjun Bijlani sends a thumbs up to you.
Oh, he sent a thumbs up. Hi, Arjun. Hi. Arjun says he finds me very funny. I don't know. मैं funny. I don't even try to be funny. मैं सिर्फ normal चीजें बात करती हूँ और लोगों को funny लग जाती है. यार मुझे समझ नहीं आता.
बहुत कम लोगों में ये क्यूट क्वालिटी होती है, आप में है.
बराबर. हाँ बराबर.
Just tell me, if you get a chance to get locked down with somebody from the television fraternity, whom would you want to be locked down with?
I think I would love to be locked down with the whole cast of Khatron Ke Khiladi because we've
Wow.
had so much fun. And it was almost like not having your friends around and your family around in Bulgaria for a really long time. And we were just together, and so all of us, if we all get locked down together, we won't even realize it's a lockdown. It'll be a party for us. It'll be a party. Oh my!
Mm. Oh my God! It's again got stuck.
मुझे मेरे दोस्तों के comments दिखते नहीं है.
It's gotten stuck. Mm. अटक गया फिर से. Got better. Okay, so
Oh, got better.
okay, we are not going. Let's not stretch this as much because it's getting exhausting for you too. Let me just ask you. There's so many people.
It's okay.
फिर से अटक गया. So many people wanting to say hi to you. So if you would want to just scroll through and give a shout out to your fans, I'm sure
Oh
they've
yeah,
been
I'd love
waiting.
to go through. Arshad Hussain Pak. Hi. Avni, hello. Hi. Hi, Anushri Paul. Parth Jayesh Bhatt doesn't like me. Oh, Alexin, hi. Love from country. Hi, Niranjan. Hi, Niranjan. Hi. Is there anything you guys want to ask before? Hi, AK Hirani. Hello, cute baby. Themselves only cute baby.
It's gotten.
Hi, ma'am. Big fan. Chandni Fairy. Hi, Prakash. Tejasi Prakash Holik. Hi. Hi.
Acha, okay. I wanted to ask you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can't even hear the yes if you say that you can hear me. तो मैं कैसे guess करूँ?
I can hear you now.
Can you hear me? Abhi?
Yeah, I
Oh
can
my
hear
God,
you
this
now.
is stuck.
I got a question thing. So basically my dad has made a extremely yummy उसके पहले वो पीस वाली 2 वाली साइन की थी, सो दैट बेसिकली इज बे एंड बेपना मैन, लाइक इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें डालती रहती है अपने अकाउंट पे, आप लोग देखते नहीं हो, आप कुछ करते नहीं हो यार. These are really intellectual questions on my profile.
And it's just being stuck. The life is just cracking up. Oh my god. You know, you're gonna see the footage later on. You're gonna be like, oh my god, what is this? I can't even hear a bit. Uh, okay, so I'm just gonna take a no, no, no. बहुत बीच बीच में आता है थोड़ा बहुत and then नहीं आता है. It gets stuck. Again, it got stuck. ठीक है ठीक है. I'm gonna just take one question now. That is, have you ever जैसे अभी तो it's a pandemic and that is why we are locked down and we have to kind of be good citizens and be at home. But ऐसे कभी हुआ है लाइफ में पहले कि आप लॉक हो गए हो या मम्मी ने लॉक कर दिया हो बिकॉज ऑफ सम शरारत or something like this?
Oh yeah, so basically my dad has always Saudi or Dubai. तो मेरा पूरा चाइल्डहुड हैज बीन विद मी, माय ब्रदर एंड माय मॉम. काम से जाती थी तो मुझे और मेरे छोटे भाई को घर पे लॉक जाती थी. लाइक लिटरली मैं और मेरा भाई घर पे रहते थे और मम्मी घर के बाहर ताला लगा के जाती थी ताकि लोगों को लगे ऐसे घुस ना पाए. एंड दिस इज लाइक यू कैन सी इट्स अ रो हाउस, सो बेसिकली एनीबडी, लाइक नॉट अ बिल्डिंग. तो इसलिए मम्मी बहुत डरी हुई रहती थी और वो ऐसे थी. तो हाँ, आई हैव बीन लॉक्ड इनसाइड माय हाउस मोस्ट ऑफ ब्रदर प्रतीक.
I hope that once we save this live after the conversation, we get to hear all the answers because of the network being so weird today. Half of the things are just being cut off. I hope I get to know about it once I read it again. I mean, listen to it again. You can hear me, right? Meanwhile.
What?
Mm, okay. So, lastly, what would you want to say to the people who have been still loitering around in this lockdown and making it difficult for us to kind of get rid of COVID-19?
You. Hear you.
Did you hear my question? Yeah, it's bad. But did you hear my question? It's got stuck. Got stuck. Hi, did you get my question?
No, I didn't get your question.
This isn't working at all. It's just being stuck. आपको मेरा सवाल सुनाई दे रहा है?
Here, I mean, I can
Every
hear
time
you
you
now.
answer ना ये stuck हो जाता है तो I don't पता नहीं what's happening. But did you speak on the message that you want to give to people about being safe from COVID?
Oh, no, I haven't. Okay, yeah, so basically, just like to say is just stay home. And don't, it's very, very important for you to get something, or to take obviously use sanitizers and face masks, but I would suggest you to just always take a shower once you get home from outside, and just stay home, stay healthy, and take care of all the elders in the family.
Okay, then we tried our best to do this live with all the cracking up in between. But we're gonna try to, get in touch with you once the lockdown goes off so that, we can do this without any problems. Uh, so, yeah, then meanwhile, I hope you stay safe and I hope you like speaking to Bollywood Bubble in the weirdest network ever.
Yeah, we can't. I can't help it. It's an issue at my end or
I
at
know,
your
right? But then,
end.
as long as
But we
your
very much
fans get to
appreciate.
see you, I think that is more than enough for them. They are really happy.
How sweet.
Okay, then,
How
bye. I'll
sweet.
see you. I'll text you.
Okay, cool. Bye, bye, bye. Take care. Bye.
See you. See you.